I will show how to add an additional component. So for instance, I want to do Knative development, and if I type by default, I don't have access to the Knative component. So what I can do is that there is a preference now. So if I open preference, I search for camel. So there is an extra component where I need to provide a list of elements. So it needs to be edited inside the properties, extra components, and here it should be an array, and this array you can find it inside. For instance, I have my Knative jar, so if I open it, I can find the knative.json, which is a file with the component definition. So if I copy paste here, inside here, I save, and now if I go back to my element and that I start to type Knative, I have my Knative component which is available.